PsA House by PsA Architecture in Vietnam. Located in a new urban area, far from the city center with low-density development surrounded by Cam Lo River, the construction area has a relatively clean climate. PsA House is a place to live combined with a working office, so the functional layout has many special features. The architect desires to form a house that is simple in detail, minimalist in materials used, and durable over time, adapting to the harsh climate of central Vietnam. The layout of the house is formed from 3 main blocks along the length of the land, which are set back from the surrounding area to be completely proactive in terms of ventilation and lighting, without depending on the construction density of the surrounding buildings. Between the main blocks are water, greenery, and vertical traffic, which creates open and closed spaces to welcome the wind better, and the greenery acts as a curtain to soften the harsh sunlight shining directly into the house. The entire space on the first floor is used as a working office with a separate walkway that is not dependent on the family's activities. On the upper floors, the house is 3 floors high, but the front roof system is lowered to avoid a sense of grandeur and to pull the building ratio wider horizontally. The form of the building is simple geometric blocks, simple, rustic materials, and durable colors over time, such as exposed concrete and polished stone. The spaces combining simple materials, natural light, and greenery create interesting experiences. Curtains of climbing plants reduce direct sunlight but still ensure natural ventilation while creating a unique identity for the building. The pond between the 2 blocks creates a landscape and cools the air on hot days. The interior materials are also consistent with the exterior and are combined with the main material of natural wood, to create a rustic and sustainable feel for the tropical house.